Hi, my name is Dana Thorborn. I am an independent distributor for Tracy Lynn Fashion Jewelry. I am coming to you tonight because I wanted to share the opportunity with other women and men regarding Tracy Lynn Fashion Jewelry. I started Tracy Lynn Fashion Jewelry December 23rd of 2011 and have been selling since. I love the business. I love doing home shows. I love selling jewelry to my co-workers at work. I also love booking shows and having fun at parties. I wanted to extend that opportunity out to you. Please give me a call at 646-217-9674. Contact me regarding either booking a show or sharing the opportunity with you where you can talk to me and experts in the business who can introduce you into 3 kits that we are offering to start you off with your own business. The 3 kits that we do have is called the Budget Kit, which is $199. We have the Basic Kit, which is $350, and we also have the Executive Kit, which is $630. With that kit, you do receive percentages off, and you also get pre-selected jewelry that you can start selling as soon as it arrives. I do have a website that you can go and take a look at, which is www.tracylynnjewelry.net/DTHORBOURNE. You can visit the website. You can join from the website, or you can call me, and I can enlist you in also. You can purchase jewelry from there and check out the catalog. It's been wonderful. This business has been great. It has given me vehicles to do things that I've never done before. So I want to share the opportunity with you and not keep it to myself. So you can also earn more money, $300 to $500 a month, doing home shows, private shows, vending shows. You can do pool parties, barbecue, anytime, anywhere to set up a table to sell jewelry. Jewelry is fabulous. I am currently wearing the blinged earrings. They are fabulous earrings. I know that you can't see them. I'm also wearing the honey glazed necklace, which is a heart necklace that lays down, and you can actually see it a little bit closer now. So the opportunity is up to you. It's up to you to get started with your own business. Please give me a call or visit the website. Thank you.